So if you need to quickly scan a document on your Samsung device, for that you can use default camera and not install any third-party apps. So let's get started. As I said, let's open the camera first. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap this circle with 4 dots to expand options. From this little menu, choose the first gear icon for settings. And now we need to make sure that Scene Optimizer and Scan Documents and Text features are turned on so we'll be able to scan documents. If you go inside the Scan Documents and Text field, you can also enable Auto Scan, but for me it is more comfortable to use it manually, so I'm not gonna enable it. And now I'm gonna take my document, my user manual from Samsung, and point the camera. So don't mind the QR code, we don't interested in that right now. We are interested in this little T button in the orange circle. So tap on the T button, and now just in a few seconds, you will see 3 options: scan, add to note, and copy. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna tap on scan. And now we can adjust its size to make it perfect. So you can drag those corners to resize the picture. You can also rotate it by tapping here, or you can retake if needed. But I'm just gonna save because everything is fine, so let's tap save. And now this scanned document is saved. So we just need to open gallery. And this is my scanned text. It turned out pretty good. And if you wanna easily find it each time you're accessing your gallery, you can swipe the picture up and click Add Tag. Now just allow all access and it will create a hashtag for this specific scanned document. Let's just enter scanned document. And now I'm gonna tap save to save this tag. And then each time you will access your gallery, and let's say you have a lot of photos, you can just tap on the search and enter scanned document like that. And you will immediately find this one. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.